everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 869 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out my first Haus Laboratories product. So this is the Lady Gaga makeup brand, but I got this in my June 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So I'll have my unboxing video that I did of that linked in the description down below if you want to see all of the products that I got in my box this month. But this is the product that I chose because I've heard good things about the Haus Laboratory products and I just love lip gloss, so I'm really excited that I got to get this. I got this in the shade Ethereal. So this is the Le Riot Gloss Ultra Shine Lip Gloss. When I was looking this up online, I saw that it does come in a bunch of different shades, but I'm really excited to check out this beautiful pink shade called Ethereal. And this does retail for $18, which is kind of expensive, definitely in my opinion, for a lip gloss. It's also cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, the applicator on this is a unique shape. It's kind of like a triangle doe foot. So here is what that looks like. And it's also pretty big. I'm gonna start out by doing a swatch. Ooh, yes, a very pretty light pink, I'd say, but it's not super pigmented. However, it does seem to be very high shine and it does have glitter, shimmer, sparkle in it, which I love. I love sparkle. So I'm really excited to see how this is on my lips. Also, see if hopefully this is hydrating on my dry lips today. But yeah, the applicator, it's kind of curved on one side and more straight and shorter on the other side. Definitely an interesting shape. But then it doesn't feel like the applicator holds much product on it. But the curved side is good for my lower lip, and then I'm using the smaller, pointier side on my top lip. So that's one layer on my lips, and I really don't see any tint of color. Here's the hand with the swatch. Yeah, I don't think this really made my lips look any more pink, but definitely shiny and that pretty shimmer. So that is really glossy. I like that. And it feels so nice on my lips. It's kind of a thick gloss, but even with that being said, I want to go in with a little bit more, just layer it up, see if I get any color. Tiny bit. When I layer it up, it gets a little bit more pink, but I don't even really think that you would be able to notice. But it really does look so flattering on the lips because of how shiny it is. And that's what the description of this said online, is that it gives the illusion of volumized lips, and it really does help emphasize the lips with this high shine. And also having the tiny little shimmer pieces in it also adds to the shininess, because it's definitely not too glittery at all. It's like a very light amount of shimmer, and it does feel very comfortable, hydrating on my dry lips. It's not super sticky, but I know it's the amount of stickiness that if my hair blows into my lip gloss, it will get stuck there really bad, which is just bound to happen when wearing a glossy lip. But I do think this is a really pretty, nice lip gloss. I kind of wish it had more color to it. Also, the packaging on this is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of a Huda Beauty type of packaging. So I really like this as a lip gloss, but I definitely think that $18 is expensive for a lip gloss. just because, you know, I have tried out so many amazing $1 lip glosses that I think look just as good as this one here. So that doesn't mean that this is a bad lip gloss, it's just my honest opinion is you can get a lip gloss this good for $1. Or you can pay $18 and get this really nice lip gloss as well. Maybe you really like to support Lady Gaga and you feel spending $18 on a lip gloss is fine, and therefore I would recommend this because all in all it is really nice. But I'm definitely glad I got this for a great deal, getting it in my $25 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box along with all those other products. That's why I feel like it's such a great way to try out these more expensive products through Ipsy and BoxyCharm, because even though I want to try out these products, I'm pretty unlikely to spend $18 on my own to get this lip gloss. But now that I have it, I'm happy with it and I will definitely be reaching for it a lot. But I would really like to know in the comments down below if you have tried any of the Haus Laboratory products. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Haus Labs? But let me know which ones are your favorites. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.